Bonafide Hustler here, and we're gonna start off another thrift vlog. I am en route to pick up something that I think is gonna be a stellar product to resell, and I'm finding this on Facebook Marketplace. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my spaceship, and I am on the way to go pick up a Concept 2 rower. That's all it was listed as. They said retails about $1,000 to like $1,200, so I'm hoping this is like the more current model. It's listed for $100, and I caught the listing within 11 minutes. We'll see if we can get this thing home today, because I think I could resell it between, you know, $500 and $800 if it's the model I'm thinking of. Now, all that said, welcome to the video, and if you like this channel, make sure you're subscribed and don't miss a beat, because, you know, we make videos like twice a week now. There's also a free money-making guide. You can go check it out. It's the first link down below. This will teach you some items you should start looking for when you're at thrift stores, garage sales, Facebook Marketplace. These are items that you can frequently resell for more money. I'm excited to see this rowing machine, and hopefully it's gonna pan out really well. Okay, so that's the house that I got the rower from, and it's sitting right here. It's in very good condition. It is a PM5 screen too, which is amazing. So I was thinking it was gonna be a PM3 at that price, but it's a PM5 computer screen. This is, to me, this is like minimum $500. Minimum, the resale on this is $500. So I'm happy I got it. She said she had a lady come in after me that was offering her $500 for this $100 machine, and she held it for me for $100. So that's pretty nice. At the casa, there's the Concept 2 rower right there. Here's the other section of it right here. You definitely have to put some new batteries into it so I can check the meters and everything like that, and then I'll list it. But we're a couple days down the road. I'm sporting the weighted vest. You can see more about the health stuff at Bahdam or the.radicallife on Instagram. Go check it out. But yeah, I'm going to be selling this one bike right here in about 10 minutes. It's this blue kids Raleigh Lily 24 bike, mint condition. We bought this thing for $39 at a Goodwill about 2.5 weeks ago, and actually about 3 weeks ago. And this one right here should sell for $125 now, cash. So pretty good condition. I mean, it's basically new. You can see everything about it is new. This is a kid's bike, 24-inch wheel. We're gonna be meeting somebody outside pretty soon. I also have a Callaway driver that's like a Diablo driver that I picked up for $6 out the door from a Goodwill. And that one is gonna be selling for $50 cash on a porch pickup at 1 o'clock today when I won't be home. That's sitting outside the front door. It's a golf driver. I'll put a picture right here.
40, is that cool?
That's fine.
Give me a local discount.
Sometimes I don't even know my own pricing. I sold it for $140. Gosh, I guess it was listed for $150 and he asked for a $10 discount. So that was pretty good. We got that sold. Further along in the evening, and so yeah, someone did come to my door and did pick up the Callaway Diablo golf driver. So it was a 60 into that, sold it for $50, which is $44 profit. That's not too bad. Yesterday, not even on the vlog, I did sell the case to a bass guitar that I found in the previous vlog. And so yeah, I sold a bass guitar for $125 that I bought for $38. That bass guitar was in a case. You know, I bought the whole thing for $38, and then I sold the actual case itself, the soft case, for $20. Yesterday it looked like this right here. But yeah, just doing little hustling and everything like that. We actually found 2 bikes today, and we had to drive 30 minutes to go get them. So tomorrow on the vlog, I'll show you those 2 bikes. I just inflated all the tires to see if they hold air. That's the very first move you want to do when you want to flip a good bike, is to, you know, usually you get them with flat tires oftentimes. And so these are 2 specialized roll bikes. One's a pink and one's a purple or something like that, a teal. And I can't wait to see what happens to those. I think I can make about $300 profit on each, something like that. We're at the next day, and last night when I was watching TV, this thing right here that you can see with the eBay label on it, a pair of $5 garage sale Hokas, and I'll flash a picture right here. They're called the Speedgoat 5s. Sold for $150 on eBay. That's crazy. Pretty good flip. And I found that at the same vlog where I found the really big chairs that I strapped onto the top of my, how do I say it, my SUV, you know? But that was a really good flip. Hoka obviously has to go through the authentication program of eBay, but it's pretty awesome. Free label, and it's sitting right there in that box. I like that flip. That was a pretty good flip, right, E-Money?
Which one?
The Hoka flip.
Oh man, that was incredible.
Yeah, so E-Money's in town as well. We did film a vlog the other day, but we didn't find much on that garage sale day at all, so we're not gonna really air it, but
that's just the reality of things sometimes.
Yeah, we didn't we literally found nothing, but we only had like 5 garage sales to go to. Anyway, E-Money's in town from Santa Cruz, and yeah, he's eating a banana. His sideburns are, I don't know, there's no tornado sideburns on this vlog. You got the spiky hair.
Yeah, it's long right now.
Yeah, it's long. Okay, so anyway, E-Money's in town, and he's leaving today, but we did do some thrifting and stuff, and I did find some cool stuff. I never put it on this vlog, but we went thrifting 2 days ago, and definitely found some cool things. I'll see if I can remember to show it to you when we get home. You're eating the telephone?
Dude, I'm eating the telephone. It's the gauge.
Oh my gosh, he's eating the telephone. Oh no. So yeah, I just got out of that Goodwill and I paid $33 out the door for this Trek Pre-Caliber 16. And oftentimes a Trek Pre-Caliber 16 kids bike can sell between $1 and like $140. So this is a great deal, even though it seems kind of expensive. Now these bikes, brand new, are like 300, maybe 330 bucks. And this one's in terrific condition. So little bikes to bucks, but it's not adult bikes to bucks, it's a kids bikes to bucks. It's a pretty good hustle. Okay, I'm at the Round Rock Antique Mall, and I gotta do a drop. Yes, I got my weighted vest on. Extra calories burning. We're gonna drop off some things from previous garage sale videos, and 2 felt hats right there. I have to pick up a pair of exotic boots here that might sell today. So I thought about putting the exotic boots in the booth, which they would sell well, but it's not fall yet. So now I'm going back to the booth to get the exotic boots to sell them locally. It's kind of crazy. But I think they're a $20 pair of boots. No, $25 pair of boots. And we're gonna sell them for, I think, 100, something like that. I gotta go pick them up, figured I'd drop some stuff off as well. And this is what the booth is looking like right now. I had to pick up the boots that were right there. They're gonna go in this bin right here. And these are the exotic iguana boots that hopefully we'll sell for 100 later. But the booth looks pretty good. Good enough to leave it. And these are the 2 other things that I'm dropping off right here from previous vlog. Same thing with those 2 hats right there. So yeah, it's a shorter vlog than normal, but I wanted to show you guys some of the things that are going on behind the scenes, and I wanted to show you guys E-Money, who just left yesterday. But it was a lot of fun, and it's too bad we're not going to air that garage sale vlog. It's kind of boring because we didn't really find anything. I found some things for myself, but that's not worth really putting up. I want to show you guys things that are profitable. I hope you enjoyed the video, and it's always good to see E-Money. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take it easy. Put a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye.